What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Gamble with Jimmy. I got to make a quick announcement for you guys. I basically wanted to talk to you guys real quick about something new on the website. On the website, I put up something that's going to be very interesting to a lot of you guys. And I got to be honest with you, it's pretty powerful. Like I actually, when I was making it, I was like, dang, this is pretty damn good. There's no ifs or buts about it. I have the best Baccarat training out there. I'm just telling you I do. I know for a fact that I do because it's so well thought out. It's so, detailed, and I've pretty much nailed everything that I could possibly share. I really don't think there's anything else that I could add to the training because with this new video that's available, it's only available for those of you that bought the Baccarat Total Package, or you bought the older version, which was the training, the momentum, and the Crazy 8. If you've already got that, then you would qualify. But if you're somebody who just goes to the website and tries to purchase the Baccarat, the new system, which is the Baccarat Switch. It's called the Baccarat Switch, the Switch. Because what it does is it teaches you how to switch when something's going wrong, how to identify the shoe perfectly and switch when things go wrong. And so when I started making the switch, I started giving a lot more valuable information in the video. And I realized, I was like, wow, this is a little more than just giving you the basics of when to switch. I cover a lot of new things that a lot of you guys are going to want to hear and will benefit from. So I felt that the switch was needed as an addition. Now it doesn't come with the Baccarat Total Package. It just doesn't. We originally started with the Baccarat training, and then we added the strategies to it. And those strategies were developed to be different, to allow you to have different ways to beat the casino on a particular shoe. They're the opposite. So what happens is it's this whole venture of putting all the training together and coming from a lot of experience of playing Baccarat. You get to the point where you start analyzing of saying, okay, when I see this 25% of the shoe, let me focus on let me go back 25% of the shoe and focus on the present. And if I can keep analyzing as I go through a shoe, it's going to allow me to switch to what the board is doing based on a combination of 4 strategies. So we basically have 3 strategies that we use. And then the 4th one, I bring that up in the video. So it basically is like we analyze every single thing we can do, and then we go ahead and move into that particular strategy. So it's very powerful, guys. And I just wanted to share it with you. Now, for those of you, this has become more of a Baccarat channel than a craps channel. I still like to play craps. I still love the game of craps. I'm actually sitting out here. I got the craps table to my left. Craps is a great game, and I personally love craps. But I have to do and focus on what this particular channel gets the most support from. And I've mentioned this before in the past. I'm still going to do craps. You guys know I'm really good at, craps, obviously. So I'm still going to do craps. So for all you guys who like the craps, you're still going to get craps. But you're just not going to get as much as I was doing. You're going to get more Baccarat than craps. I did a flip-flop where I focused with the Baccarat for this particular channel as the priority. And then, of course, I'll still pump out 2-3 crap videos a week. All right? So I just wanted to make this announcement for anybody that has purchased the Baccarat training. This is a must. I'm not trying to sell you like, oh, go there and get this from me. No, this is not even, this is strictly about just, I know what this particular video and the training brings to your game. I just know from experience, like the things that I'm covering in there and the way that it's presented to you, it really is going to make you understand how I attack the game. When I go and play the game, this is what I'm looking for, and this is how I play. Now, you know, in the training that you've already purchased, like the Baccarat total package, you know, it has the 3 training things where I'm teaching you like the basics of the game and the money management and the bet sizing. I'm teaching you all those things. And then I'm teaching you and sharing 3 different strategies that we use and how each one is opposite. But it doesn't go into every single thing about when it comes to switching strategies, which is a very important part of the game. All right. So go to the website, get the Baccarat switch. If you haven't already bought the training, you have to start with the training. You're not even authorized. Like if somebody buys the switch, this would tell you right now that I don't care about the charge of the switch. So in other words is, if somebody goes to that website and they buy the switch and they broke the rule where they didn't buy the training, that order is going to get rejected. It's not going to be processed because I don't need your $99 or whatever it is. It's not fair to the people who bought the training. So plus it covers things that only the people that bought the training know what the hell I'm talking about in the video. So you can't just skip and go to this. You have to have the training first, where you learn the training with the 3 strategies, and then you could get this video called The Switch, okay? But for those of you out there that already got the training, this is the perfect video for you to complete your full training. I recommend it. I'm telling you, once you guys watch it, you're going to be like, I'm so glad that I bought that, because it's going to help you tremendously, okay? Other things that are going on with me, I got a record company. I completely came out of retirement. I work at my own pace, making investments. Matter of fact, I made a big offer to a very talented young lady. It's a very large investment for me, but she's worth it. She's got 1 million followers on Instagram. She's out there, and signing her would definitely be a no-brainer for my record label. So I'm trying to put together a solo artist and group and produce the music. And I'm not like making music or anything. I'm just the owner, record company, investor. And I just have the ability, you know, guys, that if you don't know this about me, I've been self-employed since I was 17 years old. I retired early. I have, you know, made plenty of money. So I'm at a situation where I know how to put together a business. I understand how to structure the whole foundation. And that's what I'm a part of. And then the rest will go from there. And maybe in a year, maybe in a year and a half, 2 years, I'll be like, guys, I put together this, we released this album, check it out. Maybe it sells millions and millions of copies. Who knows? We'll see what the future holds. Okay, but until then, you know, well, I'm always still going to do my YouTube channel. So I also, one last thing, I also changed the name of my stock channel. It's no longer called Investing with Jimmy. I changed it to Stock Market Jimmy. Stock Market Jimmy. Felt everybody knows stock market, right? Everybody knows the word stock market. And I just added Jimmy at the end. So I was actually surprised it was available, to be honest with you. So I snagged that name. I snagged the .com name. I haven't put up the website yet or anything, but I will be, you know, blowing that channel up as well, because I have a lot of knowledge in the stock market, also crypto. Matter of fact, I just had a flip. I was in this crypto for 4 months. I paid 50 grand for this crypto, and I made $33,000 on it over 4 months. That's $8,000 profit a month. All I did was click a button to buy and click the button to sell. That's it. You know, that's what investing is, guys. So anyway, I like the name Investing with Jimmy. The problem is the .com wasn't available, and Invest with Jimmy was available. But I was just like, well, I think overall in the long run, Stock Market Jimmy is going to be a better name for the brand over a period of time. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate that. Go ahead and snag that Baccarat, the Switch system on the website. It's available now. And I wish all the mothers out there a happy Mother's Day. So don't forget about your mom, guys. Take care.